everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video we are going to discuss about Streamlit UI. So that means we are going to discuss about how we need to start coding procedure in Streamlit, what is the user interface will be looking like, how it will be looking like actually, and how these patterns of the code will be there in the Streamlit coding procedure. So there are three different structures, internally three different structures are there in Streamlit. So we are going to discuss about those things in this video. So with a small short demonstration. And coming to code structure, we have three different patterns required in this code structure. That means three different segments in one single code file. First thing is required packages and sub packages. So initially we will be using Streamlit only because it is a demo, small demo, initial introductory demo, right? So we will be using only Streamlit, and sub packages and everything will be carried forward to future video lectures. And coming to second one, main block. In this main block we will be writing our entire code. So what is the code which we need to write, we want to write, we will be writing that one here in this main block. And coming to the last one, run and execute. So how to do this one? So as I mentioned in previous video in episode 2, we need to install CMDR or CMDR, and also one of the IDEs like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Editor. Anything is fine for me, no problem for me. And we can use even Spider. So we can use anything. So in this video I am going to use one of those three, and also this CMDR. I already installed CMDR. I have shown you the procedure and also shared the link in the description of the previous video. So check those links and download those softwares which are required and install those things. Okay. And coming to packages, so we need to install few packages with respect to Streamlit application implementation, and also for visualization these packages need to be installed like Matplotlib, Seaborn and everything, but Streamlit default package must be there. And functions, so in this function we will be writing the entire code block. So initially if you consider, we will be writing some basic level of functions which deal with some basic level of implementation in general programming pattern. In the same manner we will be using some of the important factors here in this coding pattern in Streamlit, like starting from package, sub package, functions and run and execute. So in functions we will be writing entire code block inside that one, and we will be calling that one into the main function. And coming to the run, executing in the browser. So we need to execute these code files in one specific pattern, right? So we will be using Spider for that one. Actually I will be using Spider most of the cases. So initially we can use VS Code or Sublime Editor or anything, even PyCharm, we can use PyCharm for this, but I will be using different IDEs in different cases. So I prefer Spider most of the cases. So in my lectures, so without any further delay, let's start the demonstration of Sublime with the basic level of a code block. Okay, basic level code block, and it will not be huge also. So without any further delay, let's start implementing that one. For this we need to open any IDE. I will be using Spider. As I said, I will be using Spider. Okay, so open Spider, and this is Spider user interface, and I will start writing the code block here. So before going into the code implementation, we need to save this file, right? So we need to save this file in a specific location. So I am saving this file in one specific location. As we are dealing with this Streamlit implementation, we have a specific folder for each and every video in my repository. So I am using that one. So I am going into that repository and storing this as app. Automatically supported text file will be saved like app.py. So it will be saved as app.py. I am creating on this day with this timeline, and I am author, so I can delete this one, no need of these things. Okay, so this one is my plain app.py. Now I am going to start separating this one. So core packages, and sub packages if required, main function, we can make it as a function, that's it, and run and execute is different case. And here we need to import the basic Streamlit package. For that, import Streamlit as st. So I will zoom it a bit. So sub packages are not required as it is a standalone basic function, just creating a main function, main. As it has an empty function, we should not leave that one like that, so I'm giving pass like this. And now I need to create it as a package or something like that. It's a kind of a universal accessible type thing, so I'm giving a constructor like thing. Now I'm creating a constructor. So basically name is the default thing which we'll be using in this creation. So it has to recognize the function, main is the function which was created, and it has to recognize that one, need not to use these things. And if it is satisfied, then it has to go to this main function. So like this we can notify. So everything is fine here. Double underscore, sorry, here this is double equal to, that's why it's showing error there. So like this it's okay. Now we will go to this what we call CMDR, and we will start executing this one. So currently if you go to this tab and click on set console working directly, it's in D drive channel. So this is the folder structure, and I need to go to CMDR. So I'm going to D drive. So let me zoom in this also. And D drive, I am having a channel, and in that one also, this one is 59, right? Yeah, 59 Streamlit series. So CD 3 something is there. Yeah, I'm checking what are the 4 files available. ls, so Streamlit slides PDF is there, app.py. Now we need to execute. To execute this one, just type Streamlit run and this app name app.py and click enter. Now it will start executing, and it will give one port number with respect to localhost. It is doing that operation right now. I am allowing this, giving access, and if you observe, this one is localhost 8501 is the port number which was allocated to Streamlit according to my operating system. This is empty page, it is not showing anything, but you can see a grid over here, and click on that one. You can record the session, record the screencast with with our voice. We can print the entire screen, and we can check about the Streamlit, and we can click on rerun so that it will restart the session, and it will show the content over there. And clear the cache, deploy this app. If you click on this option, you need to connect with Heroku, Azure or AWS, any cloud platform. Then you can deploy this application live into this cloud platform. Okay, so now let's do one operation here. Currently there is no text over there in that web browser. Now we are going to implement that one. So I want to paste some kind of a basic text on the screen, on the screen available there. So let's do one thing. Title, I'm just giving a word called title equal to st dot text underscore input of something label I'm giving, like welcome note. In this welcome note, I just want to give some kind of welcome note, right? Hello, welcome to Streamlit video session, and just I'm giving like this. And now st dot write. Now I want to write this statement on the screen. Something like welcome, not welcome is not required, already there now. So you can directly mention the title here. So it will start executing once again. Save this and go to this browser and click on rerun. You can see hello, welcome to Streamlit video session. So it's a welcome note. Clear? So like this it will print. If you want to remove 2 times, just sorry, this one hash. So it will be presenting like this. So this is the way you need to implement Streamlit. This is the basic introductory demo, so you need not to worry about that one. From next video onward, we'll start checking few more methods and getting information regarding a few more operations, and also we'll start building some kind of real-time applications. So thanks for watching this video. Post your views in the comment section, so that I will get to know what the requirements from your end. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel Tech and Life, and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.